Hello friends, now here we start chapter number 11, conic section. Remember this here, if we take a fixed line L and a line M which makes an angle alpha with fixed line L. This line M intersect given line L at V, and if we rotate this line M to line L in such a way that angle alpha remain constant, then we get this type of double cone. Now if we cut this right circular cone, double cone, biplane, then we get a different type of curve. All curves are said to be conic section. Here alpha is a semi-vertical angle of right circular cone. Line M intersect line L at V, then V becomes vertex of this cone. Plane makes an angle beta with axis of this right circular cone. Here this fixed line L is called axis of right circular cone. Here plane makes an angle beta with axis of right circular cone. Here plane cuts this right circular cone in a different form, making different angle with this axis of cone, then we get different type of curve like as circle. This type of curve, this is said to be ellipse. Sometimes we get this type of curve, this is said to be parabola. Sometimes we get this type of hyperbola. So remember this, if beta is equal to 90, that is this plane perpendicular to axis, then we get this type of a curve, and this is a circle. So beta is equal to 90 degree, then we get a circle. If value of beta greater than alpha, that is alpha less than beta and value of beta less than 90, this type, remember this here. Semi-vertical angle of this right circular cone is alpha. This is also same measure alpha. If value of beta greater than alpha, that is this form, then we get this type of ellipse. So alpha less than beta less than 90, then we get ellipse. If value of alpha and beta equal, alpha is equal to beta, then we get parabola. And value of beta less than alpha, that is 0 less than equal to beta less than alpha, then we get this type of hyperbola. Now here we discuss about a circle. remember this here. Set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. Secondly, set of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point is called a circle. Here fixed point is called center of circle and the constant distance is called a radius of circle. Clear? Equation of circle with center HK and the radius R. Here take a PXY point on a circle, then CP becomes radius of circle. So using distance formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So this becomes equation of circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the equation of a circle whose center is HK and the radius r. Clear? So remember this equation of circle. Now here we solve some question of exercise 11.1. Question number 1. In each of the following exercise 1 to 5, find the equation of circle with center 0, 2 and the radius 2. Here center is a HK is equal to given 0, 2 and the radius R is equal to 2. Therefore equation of circle is a x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus h is equal to here 0 square plus y minus k is equal to 2 raised to 2 is equal to r square, r is equal to 2 raised to 2. Now simplify this, we get x square plus y square minus 4y plus 2 square is a 4 is equal to 2 square is a 4. So we get equation of circle is a x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Clear? 4 cancel from both sides. Now next, number 2 given. Find equation of circle with center minus 2, 3 and the radius 4. Here HK is equal to minus 2, 3, R is equal to 4. Applying same method, find equation of circle. For third, same center is given 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and the radius given 1 by 12. Using this equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, get equation of circle. Same for 4, center is given 1, 1 and the radius is a root 2. Applying same method, find this equation of circle. In question 5 also same, center is given minus a minus b and radius is equal to root of x square minus b square. Here center HK is equal to minus a minus b and radius r is equal to root of x square minus b square. Therefore from our equation of circle, x minus x whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, equation becomes x minus minus plus a raised to 2 plus y minus minus plus b raised to 2 is equal to square of this, that is x square minus b square. Now simplify this. So here x square plus 2ax plus x square plus y plus b square is equal to y square plus 2yb plus big square is equal to x square minus big square. From both sides x square cancel. Big square take this side. So we get here and the terms x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus big square become 2 big square is equal to 0. This is equation of required circle. Clear? Now, next, in each of the following exercise 6 to 9, find the center and the radius of circle. Question number 6. Here given equation of circle x plus 5 raised to 2 plus y minus 3 raised to 2 is equal to 36. Compare given equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Here we get x minus h whole square. So minus h is equal to 5. Minus k is equal to 3. And r square is equal to 36. Clear? So here h is equal to minus 5. K is equal to minus 3. Here minus 3. So minus minus become plus 3. And r is equal to square root of 36. 6. So center is equal to HK is equal to minus 5, 3 and the radius is equal to 6. Clear? Or here compare given equation with x minus h whole square. So h is equal to minus 5. First we change into form of x minus h plus y minus k. Okay. First we change into form of our standard form x minus h whole square. So x minus 5 raised to 2 plus y minus 3 raised to 2 is equal to 36. So comparing with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Here h is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 3. R square is equal to 36. Therefore, center is HK is equal to minus 5, 3. And the radius R is equal to square root of 36 is 6. Clear? Next question 7. Here x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 is equal to 0 given. First, we change into perfect square form. For this, arrange the terms x square minus 4x plus y square minus 8y. 45 take this side. Here to make it perfect square, add 2 square is a 4 on both sides. Similarly, y square minus 8y, here add 4 square is a 16 to both sides. Therefore, this become perfect square. So x minus 2 square plus y minus 4 square is equal to 45 plus 20 is equal to becomes 65. Therefore, center HK is equal to 2, 4 and the radius R is equal to root of 65. Clear? Now question number 8. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 10 by minus 12 is equal to 0. First arrange the terms. We get x square minus 8x plus y square plus 10y is equal to 12. Take this side, so plus 12. Now make it perfect square, adding some terms or some numbers. X square minus here 8, that is 2 into 4 into x, plus, to make it perfect square, add a 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. Here we add 4 square, that is a 16 on both sides. So 12 plus 16. Similarly for this plus y square plus, to take outside from 10, so 5 into y plus add 5 square to make it perfect square. 5 square is a 25, add on both sides, so here 25. Clear? Therefore this become perfect square. Factor of this is a x minus square root of 16 is a 4 square plus y plus square root of 25 is a 5 square is equal to, now take addition, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 2, 13, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5. Now comparing with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, we get h is equal to 4 and k is equal to minus 5 and r square is equal to 53. Therefore center HK is equal to 4 minus 5 and the radius r is equal to root of 53. Okay. Question number 9. Equation given 2x square plus 2y square minus x is equal to 0. First divide by 2. Here we get x square plus y square minus 1 by 2 x is equal to 0. Now applying same previous method, change into perfect square form and get into standard form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. And comparing with this equation, we get h, k and radius r. Now question number 10. Question 10. Find the equation of circle passing through 4, 1 and 6, 5 whose center is on 4x plus y is equal to 16. Here center lies on this line. First suppose the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Let equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here 4, 1 lies on this circle. Here given that the circle passed through given 2 point 4, 1 and 6, 5. That is 4, 1 lies on this circle. Here or which pass through 4, 1 and 6, 5. Therefore replace x by 4 and y by 1 in this equation. We get 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Now simplify this. 4 square is a 16 minus 4 2 8h plus h square plus 1 minus 2 into 1 into k, that is 2k, plus k square. Here this is a h, so this become h, clear, is equal to r square. Therefore simplify this, h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k, 16 plus 1, 17, is equal to r square. Take result number 1. Now this circle pass through 6.65 also given. So, and 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square is equal to r square. Replace x and y by 6 and 5. We get this equation. Now simplify this. We get a 36 minus 12h plus h square plus 25 minus 10k plus k square is equal to r square. Take result number 2. And the center of this circle HK lies on this line 4x plus y is equal to 16. Here HK belongs to 4x plus y is equal to 16 given. Therefore, replace x by h and y by k. We get 4h plus k is equal to 16. Take result number 3rd. Clear? Now solving equation 1, 2 and 3, we get value of h, k and r. For this here, first compare equation 1 and 2 by 1 and 2. Compare both. H square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k plus 17 is equal to, here compare with r square. Here we get h square plus k square, clear, minus 12h minus 10k, 36 plus 25, right, same, 36 plus 25. So yeah, simplify this. 12h take this side, so becomes plus 12h minus 8h is a 4h minus 10k this take this side, so plus 10k minus 2k becomes plus 8k is equal to 17, take this side, so 36 plus 25 minus 17. After simplification we get a 4h plus 8k is equal to 44. Therefore dividing by 4 we get h plus 2k is equal to, dividing by 4 here 1, 1, that is 11. Take result number 4. Now solve this equation 3rd and 4th. From 3rd, k is equal to 16 minus 4h. Replace in a 4 by 4. Here k is equal to 16 minus 4h is equal to 11. Therefore, h plus 36 minus 8h is equal to 11. Therefore, here becomes minus 7h is equal to 36, take this side, so minus 36 plus 11 becomes minus 20. Now put h is equal to 3 in this k. Here k is equal to 16 minus 4 into 3. So is equal to 16 minus 4, 3, 12 is equal to 4. So k is equal to 4. H is equal to 3. Now h is equal to 3 and k is equal to 4. Replace in our equation x square h square plus k square minus 8h minus 2k plus 17 is equal to arc square. Therefore 3 square is a 9 plus 4 square is a 16 minus 8 into h is equal to 3. So 8 3 24 minus 2 into k is equal to 4. So 4 to 8 plus 17 is equal to arc square. Therefore now simplify this. Here 17 plus 16 plus 9 is equal to 7 plus 6 13 plus 9 22, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 minus 24 minus 8 becomes 12 3 32 is equal to arc square. Therefore arc square is equal to 10. Okay, so using value of h, k and arc square equal to 10, we get equation of circle. Therefore equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to arc square, implies x minus h is equal to 3 square plus y minus k is equal to 4 square is equal to arc square is a 10. So this becomes equation of required circle. Number 11. Find the equation of circle passing through 2 3 and minus 1 1 whose center is on x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Applying same method, we solve this equation. First suppose equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to arc square. Here this circle pass through 2 3, so replacing x and y by 2 3 we get one equation of h, k and r. Similarly, using minus 1 1 in this equation we get second equation, and the center of this circle lies on this line. So h minus 3k minus 11 equal to 0. We get a third equation. Solving this three equation, we get value of h, k and r. And using this equation, we get a equation of circle. Now question number 12. Find equation of circle with radius phi whose center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis given this, and passing through 2 3. Here circle pass through 2 3 given, and the radius is equal to phi. Also center lies on x-axis given. So first suppose center of circle is a H0. Let center of circle is H0 because this lies on a x-axis, so y coordinate always 0, x coordinate suppose h. Here 2 3 is a point of circle. Here circle pass through 2 3, that is a 2 3 is on a circle. So distance between center and this point of circle becomes radius. Therefore h minus 2 raised to 2 plus 0 minus 3 raised to 2 is equal to becomes radius square 25. Okay. Therefore h square minus 4h plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 25. So here h square minus 4h, here this becomes plus 13 is equal to 25. So h square minus 4h, 25 take this side, so minus 12 is equal to 0. Divide 12, both sum become minus 4. 6 to 12. Here we get factor of this x minus h minus 6 into h plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore h is equal to 6 or h is equal to minus 2. Okay, so center becomes 6 0 or minus 2 0. For h is equal to 6, center is equal to 6 0, radius 5 given. Here r is equal to 5. Therefore equation of circle is x minus h raised to 2 plus y minus k equal to 0 raised to 2 is equal to arc square, that is a 25. So simplify this and get equation of a circle. So here x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square is equal to 25. Therefore x square plus y square minus 12x, here 36 take this side or 25 take this side, so 36 minus 25 becomes plus 1 1 equal to 0, that is a 11 equal to 0. So this become equation of required circle. Okay, now question number 13. Find the equation of circle passing through origin 0 0 and making intercept A and B on coordinate axis. Here circle pass through origin and have intercept on axis are A and B. That is a circle intersect x-axis at A0 and y-axis at B0B. Here Angle AOB is right angle, and angle AOB is right angle. So AB becomes diameter of circle. Clear? So center of this circle becomes midpoint of AB. Here A angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore AB is diameter of circle. Therefore center of circle is equal to midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. So is equal to A plus 0 by 2, that is A by 2, 0 plus B by 2, that is a B by 2, and half of AB becomes a radius. A radius is equal to half of AB, that is AB upon 2, and distance AB upon 2 is equal to root of x square plus big square by 2. So 1 by 2 root of x square plus big square. Therefore equation of circle is equal to, using center A by 2 B by 2 and radius, get equation of circle. So equation of circle is x minus A by 2 raised to 2 plus y minus b by 2 raised to 2 is equal to radius square, that is 1 by 4 x square plus a big square. Clear? Now simplify this. We get x square plus y square minus 2 into product of these two, ax minus 2 into product of these two minus by plus square of this x square upon 4 plus square of b upon 2 square is a big square upon 4 is equal to x square upon 4 plus big square upon 4. So is equal to, we get a x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. This becomes equation of required circle. Now question number 14. Find the equation of circle with center to 2 and passing through 4, 5. Here center is a 2, 2 given and passing through 4, 5. So using distance formula we get a radius r. Using radius and center we get equation of a circle. Clear? Solve yourself. Now question number 15. Does the point minus 2.5, 3.5 lies inside, outside, or on circle x square plus y square is equal to 25? First method, find radius of circle. Here x square plus y square equal to 25. Radius of this circle is r square is equal to 25. So r is equal to 5. Here r is equal to 5. We get a radius of circle. and the center of circle is this pass through origin. X minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square is equal to 25. So center HK is equal to 0, 0. Now using distance formula, find the distance between center and this point P. If CP greater than R, then we say that this point P is outside of this circle. If CP is equal to R, then this point is on a circle, and the CP less than R, then this point is inside the circle. Clear? That means we get the distance between point and the center of circle and compare with a radius. Now second method, take a coordinate of given points in equation x square plus y square minus 25. If x square plus y square minus 25, after replacing x by minus 2.5 and y by 3.5 in this equation, we get greater than 0, then point is outside. Equal to 0, then point is on the circle, and less than 0, then point is inside the circle. Clear? Solve this question yourself. Now next topic we discuss in our next lecture. Okay, bye.